Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Monday, May 10th, 2021, and as you know, today is a special day. This is because it's Mother's Day. So, today, hug your moms, tell them happy day, mom, give them the card that we made, but also hug your grandmothers and all the persons that have a son, like your aunt, maybe your sister. I don't know if you know a mom, send them happy Mother's Day and hug them. Oh, not hug your hug, just hug your mom. I forgot about COVID. Yeah. So the topic of today it's going to be the simple past or past simple. Uh, we use it to express actions that already finished in the past. That are finished. You are not doing it anymore. So let's see some examples. I play Roblox. I put the whole play. I play Roblox, I bought Robux, I went to the circus, I wanted a puppy. These were these are these are actions that already passed and I finished it. But to use simple past we should know that there are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Here the regular verbs are the ones that you have the verb like this: accept, agree, ask, believe, call, close, and you just add ed like learn, learn it, move, move, play, played. You just add ed. So the rule is that we add ed like played, watched, wanted. Let's see some examples. I called Francisco, he helped his dad. You walk on the beach and the store closed early. So now with this in mind, these are the regular verbs. Are the ones that you add ed. Don't forget about that. But about let's let's learn about the irregular verbs. These are the ones that change at all. For example, we have the is and are changes to was and were. The come changes to came. Do to did, drink to drank, eat to ate, and so on. So on. This is a list. I recommend you to watch it, pause the video, and watch it closely. Okay? So with the regular verbs, the whole word changes in past tense form, like eat to ate, write to wrote, and go to went. These are examples. There are more. There are more. So let's see the examples. I got a 100 in my test. I got. I learned how to ride my bicycle. Learn. Oh, yeah, I learned how to ride my bicycle. I ran to school because I was late. Here are two past tense: ran and was. And I ate a cake. So yeah, those are the verbs in past tense irregular. So why don't you play a game? Yeah, the link will be in the description. Don't worry about it, and I also going to send it to your parents. So what should you do? What you should do is go to this link. In fact, let's go right now, and you will have this. So you're going to go to right here when it says game, press it, and here is the game. You better start, and what you need to do is to paint in pink the regular verbs. Which one are the regular verbs? The ones that you only add ed, or the ones that you change at all? For example, ate, it's a regular verb? No. How do I change that here? No, it's an irregular. So yeah, went, it's irregular, and so on, so on. Then you put finish, and it tells you how many you got it right. Like this. You score 2 because I only answered 2. So yeah, and you can try again if you want to. You just put try again and start from the beginning. This exercise is for practice for you. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to play the game, please do it. And happy Mother's Day to your moms. Don't forget to give them a hug. See you tomorrow.